Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can reset auto adjustments on CapCut PC, or how you can just like remove it. So if you have it in your video, you're just going to select this reset button here, redo button, because if I have to do this like one by one, it's going to take me forever. So I'm just going to select redo, and it's going to remove all of the adjustments here. But if your adjustments is just like on another layer, for instance, and you want to remove that, you're just going to simply select this and delete it, or you still can do redo. So I'm just going to press delete. And that's how you can remove the adjustments from your videos. I hope this tutorial, on your videos. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!